Today I'm excited to share with you how to create this stunning bag. This pattern is super simple, making it perfect for beginners too. For this project you need chunky yarn, around 1 pound, and a 30mm crochet hook. If you're wondering where to find them, check the links in the description. As I told you, this pattern is super easy and I finished my bag in 15 minutes. First, make a slip knot like this and chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one more. This is the foundation of our project. Now you have to put your hook into the second loop like this, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through. That's our first single crochet. Keep going doing single crochets into the next 5 stitches. If you want your bag to be bigger, just make more chains at the beginning and do the same thing I'm showing you here after that. So we have to make 2 more single crochet here. Into the last stitch, we're going to do 3 single crochet all in one stitch. Here the first one, second, and one more. After this step, simply continue with single crochet into the next stitches. And into the very last stitch, we will do 2 single crochet in one stitch. 1 and one more. This helps to round off our project nicely. The base of the bag is done. Now let's move on the body of the bag. You need to turn your work over, just like I did, and you see this chain. Put your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through again. That's the single crochet. We're going to make a whole round with single crochet like this. Once you finish the round, we will continue by doing single crochet, but we're going to do our single crochet on all of these back loops. You can continue crocheting in around until we reach the desired size of the bag. I will be doing 3 rounds for my bag. And there you have it. We're done with the body of the bag. Wow, I'm just in love with this velvet yarn. Look at how beautiful this bag turns out. Now let's make the strap and we're all set. Insert your hook into the middle loop here and make a slip knot. Then continue with the chain of 28. This length will be perfect for me. Here I also show a chart with references for a strap length based on height. Once you finish the last loop, pull through the tail and insert it into the other side of the bag. Under this stitch. As you can see, we'll do this to make it look seamlessly attached to the bag, just like the other stitches of the strap. And now I have to hide the tail within the back stitches inside the bag to secure it and make it look even better. And that's it. Super easy, right? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my next one. You can also follow me on Instagram where I post daily content. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.